This is Jeff Crosman, a product manager here at SP Marketplace. Today we're going to do a quick view of our Power BI dashboard in our Safety Manager product. In earlier videos, we showed and explained the details that in our product regarding new incidents, observation, employee compliance, and action items. Today we're going to look at the Power BI dashboard for reporting purposes. When loading the dashboard, there'll be 3 pages of this particular dashboard. And I should add at this point that if your organization or company has proficient Power BI dashboard knowledge and training, this dashboard can be tweaked and customized to your liking and or added to if you wanted to add additional pages to this view. This 3-page dashboard comes standard with our product. There are several areas, and you can note that there are filter options on the left, so you can by year or by month. You can also quickly see incidents by department, by month, by area, and so forth, and then some details on those incidents. If you pick particularly, let's say, a warehouse, and you clicked on it, the whole chart will dynamically change to show you information relevant to the area you clicked on. The next page will show you a hazards report. So this goes off of observations. So external door slam shut in the wind, handrail loose, capacity sticker on forklift. Again, if you click on any of these, they will dynamically change, and you can filter them as well by year and month. And then the last page we have here is the action item. This gives you a high-level overview based on date. So instead of checkboxes, we have a slider bar on this particular page. You can see how the graph change based on the dates that you slide the bar to. All of these dashboard views are looking at lists that are held within the product, as well as the dashboard views allow for upper level management, supervisors, or directors to quickly be able to access the information in a nice graphical view and sort down to the areas that they're most interested in finding without having to go to the specific lists and look through those. Our Power BI dashboard comes built in with these 3 pages that I just showed you. However, again, if you have Power BI knowledge and experience, or someone on your IT staff does, these are completely customizable by you. We do not lock down the dashboard, and for that matter, we don't really lock down our product all that much. It is mostly open for you to do customizations on your own, should you have the knowledge and experience to do that. In previous videos, you can look and see the details of our Safety Manager product. And if you'd like to schedule an actual live demo, please contact our sales department at spmarketplace.com.